Water means life. Everyone, everywhere needs clean water. For many of us, it's normal to have it on tap. We use it every day in all sorts of ways and don't overthink about it. But can you imagine life without it? That's the reality for 168 million people in Pakistan who don't have access to clean drinking water. Without a reliable source of clean water close to home, people have no choice but to collect dirty water for drinking, cooking and cleaning. This can spread deadly diseases like cholera. 53,000 children under 5 die in Pakistan annually from diarrhea due to poor water and sanitation. Women and girls have to walk longer to collect water. In this situation, climate change is making things even worse. Heavy rains cause flooding and pollute water sources, while increasingly frequent and severe droughts dry up already unreliable springs and wells. Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan is working tirelessly to provide clean water to rural and urban communities. Donate generously, as clean water changes everything.